I'm Charlie. Let's get started.
Guys, do you still remember lesson 2 title? Yes, you're great. What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends? 이게 무슨 뜻이었죠? 맞아요. 당신은 주말에 무엇을 합니까? 라는 질문이었어요. 보통 여가 시간에 상대방이 무엇을 하는지 질문하고 싶을 때 우리 이렇게 말하겠죠? What do you do on weekends? 그러면 우리 어떻게 대답할 수 있을까요? Yes, I usually do blah blah 이렇게 말할 수 있을 거예요. 그러면 나는 보통 공원에 가요 라고 어떻게 말할 수 있을까요? Yes, I usually go to the park. Or you just can say, I go to the park on weekends. Okay, Charlie, what do you do on weekends?
I'll show you. I usually go to the park.
Okay, Charlie, what do you do on weekends?
I usually have soccer practice.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually fly a kite.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually go to the park.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually go to the cooking club.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually watch a movie.